All right, so here we have a Model 3 Tesla. These are the jack support pads. This is currently a variety of what's available for purchase. One of them is done in a 3D printer with a magnet. We have an aluminum one with a rubber O-ring, a full rubber one. Another one that's similar, just a different brand. And then we have another one with a magnet and the O-ring. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and install these in the car, see how they fit, what's the difference on them, and just see which one would be a better part to purchase. All right, so here we are under the car. On all four corners we have this little dimple here. This is where we want to jack the car up. So this one here was one with a magnet. This is a 3D printed version. All right, so this is how we would put this one on to use to the jack pad. All right, so we have a little bit of movement, but all in all it does stay where you want it to be while you're jacking it up. All right, so the only question I would have with this one is how long it would last. Being a 3D printed is more of a prototype style. We have some glue with the pad, so durability would be the issue with this one, I would think. The next one we have is an all rubber puck here. All right, so that one definitely the rubber is going to wear on that one. Kind of hard to put in there. It does stay just because of the interference fit. But you would have to play with lining that one up pretty good. So here we have two from different companies, both the same design, made out of an aluminum, one anodized, one not. It's like they're very close to very close to the same way they fit. I would think the only thing with this one would be once that O-ring wears out, it's not going to want to stay in its spot while you're setting up your lift or your jack, however you're going to, lift the car up. Yeah, that O-ring is the only thing that keeps it in there. All right, then we have one from Auto Parts Direct to You. We have a O-ring. We have the magnet. Now the magnet is also labeled with a Model 3. These are available for other Teslas. All right, so it's a little magnet. The magnet holds it up there so you can get your lift point set. The movement, it's very, very good and snug in there with the O-ring around the outside. But this is seems to have all the features of the other one, so it's nice and compact. It does seem to fit very well. The other advantage of this one is, see the magnet does come out there, we did. All right, so one of the other good features that the Auto Parts Direct to You one is it comes in a nice case. All four of them are in there. This will be able to stow away in your car nicely, keep them all together. These are available for the Model S and the Model X. They are noted on the side there. But we do have them available for the other models of the Tesla.